In today's video, we are going to analyze 3 profitable products to go over whether I would buy them or not for Amazon FBA. One is no good, and it is a tricky one. It is profitable, but it's no good. The other 2 are good. One is a seasonal opportunity, and one has over $20 profit. We analyze everything with SellerAmp. Let's head over to the computer and get this going. All right, before we get into it real quick, if you want more guides, tutorials, how to use SellerAmp, check out this free quick start guide. It will be linked below. No email address required. This is me, hours of sourcing. This one is one of my favorite ones. This Keep It Hack Charge Everything. This has the link to the YouTube video and any other docs in there. So let's get started. We're going to go over what I would analyze. Would I buy this? Would I not buy this? All this stuff is profitable if you could find it on sale. Your job is going to be to find it on sale. But I'm going to go through these if they're good or if they're not. Right off the bat, what I like about SellerAmp over here, we have the ACE and we have the UPC. We have how many stars it has. We have the name. We have a little icon here of the image. We have the BSR here. We got how many estimated sales. This is just an estimate, but gives us some idea how much we could pay potentially for this item. So at $13.77, I already inputted a bunch of numbers that I need to hit for my ROI calculations. You could find that in this first video over here, how to set that up, how to do the Google Sheets. It's a full walkthrough. So on sale, you could probably get this for around $9.73. Might be a little more, just depends on the sales. If you get discounted gift cards, etc., etc. You can get this for $9. You were making $8.18 on this. ROI is 84%. Now, at face value, this looks absolutely awesome to look at. Sales are a little low on this. 97K rank. I'm not a big fan of rank. Rank is just kind of a number. I always love doing the test buys. So we can see some other stuff here. The buy box. We can see historical pricing. So the last 30 days, it's been this. The last 90, it's been lower. So that's something to kind of keep in your mind. That why is this higher right now? And we could see because there's a ton of sellers that came on here and a ton of sellers dropped off. And you can see that's pretty consistent on this listing. People go down, price goes up. As more people come on this thing, the price goes down. As people drop off the listing, the price goes up. This is Keepa. If you were looking for that, then we could see right here the sellers that are on this listing as well, how much stock they have, and the price they are currently at. I have it set for Prime only. If there are FBM offers on here, you would see the FBM, or you could see FBA and FBM. So like seeing that at quick glance. Next is the buy box analysis, which I really like on this. You can't really read a ton into buy box, but it's obvious that it is going around and being shared. You'd also see right here it's being suppressed. And then you could kind of see who is winning that buy box as well. So based on this, if you get it for this price, you'd be making $8.18. One thing I don't like about this listing, which I'd probably pass on, is it says it's a 4-pack. So Amazon has this 4-pack little box over here. Obviously, there are 6 of these. This also shows 6 as well, which is not a great sign. It could be fine, but nowadays, with Amazon really cracking down, this is a no-good go for me. A customer could think they're getting 4 packs of these 6, or they could be like, why did I get 6? This is confused. Like, you don't want any justification like that. Number 2, right over here, we're going to see right here, the brand on this is Paints. This is Lictex. So that does not line up, meaning that this could be a listing that was just created. You could also use another tool called Keepa, and if you scroll down over here, and you keep going down, you will see the manufacturer is right here, and the brand is Paints. So this is not, these don't always have to match, but this most likely should say Listex, or however you say it. So for this looks awesome, but based on those two little tiny listing things, I would pass on this, unfortunately. One thing you could do is you might not want to, but if you click on these person's profiles right here real quick, let me see if I can hide it real quick. You can see everything else that they are selling. So you could go through their storefront, which is a really, really nice feature of SellerAmp as well. You get a quick view of the Keep It charts right over here. And you could also see all the different listing types like that. Next up, we got this Death Wish coffee. I have never heard of this before. This is pumpkin spice. Actually, this just came up when I was doing some searching. All right, so this is what we have here. They're saying this is a 10-pack. This has 10 little cups in it, so that kind of makes sense to me, just based on what we were talking about before. So $12.99. The max buy cost is $15.35. Like the fact that this is coffee. Hypothetically, it is food and cannot be returned. So that's always a good thing. Solid profit at $6.97. This includes all my prep fees and everything like that. ROI is 53%. And let's kind of look at some more information. So we got 3 sellers here. There are some FBM offers as well. So you'll see that. Let's see the FBM. So we can kind of just see what's going on there. Sometimes you want to know, sometimes the FBM is the brand itself. So that's kind of why I looked at the FBM offers for something like this. But you can see here what is going on. So my guess right off the bat, we'll take a look at the Keep It in a second, is this out of stock is probably what's driving this price higher, because it doesn't seem, when we look over, where were we? Oh, when we look over here, it doesn't seem, oh no, it is keeping that, oh, Amazon. So it looks like Amazon might be on it, or has been on it. So let's take a closer look over here. So we can see here, if you want to look at the full Keepa, it doesn't, maybe Amazon was on it for a glimpse because it's not popping up. Let's see the year. So you can see here, usually sells in the 19 to 23. Looks like it went out of stock for whatever reason. Oh, this is Amazon right here, this little tiny sliver. And now people came on this and have the price at $29.95. This would probably be a good one to merchant fulfill. You'd have to because this is going to be one that's a quick, I don't know, other people will probably catch on to this. Usually the price is in the $20 range. Let's see where that would put us at with SellerAmp. I always like to look at the break even. So even at the break even, even if it hits its lowest, which is $19.96, our break even is $21. So I think we'd be losing like $2 maybe. $1.55 we'd be losing on that. But there is big upside on this. You could get the $29.99. That is $6. So even you could move a bunch of these. It is also pumpkin spice. So it is that time of the year as recording this video. And this is another brand to potentially look into. See if they have other products. See if these other ones are profitable. You'll see here, it looks like a lot of them are lower priced. So my guess is this pumpkin spice one isn't just high demand. Maybe there's not a lot of it on the market. And if you could find a place to buy it for this price point over here, you could be good to go. We got one more here. This is going to be a machine filing set. So 195K rank, estimated sales 16 a month. The max cost on this is going to be $86.55. You could probably get this in the 85 to ish range. 85 to probably, if I had to guess, like 88, 89. Depending on what sale you could get for these. So ROI is only 29%, but with the profit being $25.52, I am totally cool with that. I'm even cool with this at, we'll look at the keep a chart in a second. But that is kind of why we dig into this kind of stuff. There are no alerts on here, so it's not meltable, no variation, none of that kind of stuff's going on here. Let's just kind of see like some of the historicals. 145 is the buy box the last 90 days. 141, the last 180. That stuff. It's just nice to know kind of where it lands. 140 over here. So I'm saying you could probably get anywhere from 140, which you're still over $20 profit. 24.61. This is pretty niche. This probably is not getting returned either, which is great. We got some sellers on here. Not a lot of stock, so everyone has a little bit of stock. I mean, if you sell 5 of these, you have to make $100 profit. Seems pretty good. Buy box, obviously being shared. You can see everyone has different shares of this. If we go to the keep a chart over here, I don't know why that got cut off. Weird. Let's reload this real quick. Let's see. All right, so you can see here, pretty steady mover right now. Seller count is climbing up on this. Don't really like that. This might be one I put on a watch list. So SellerAmp has a great feature where you could just hit. These are all over here. Oops. These are all my spreadsheets. So for this one, I might put this on. I wouldn't put it out of stock. I put like good for sales. So I'd have to get a good sales price on this, and that's something I check often. Or you could put it on a watch list like I have here, and you could just add that to that, which makes it really easy to just kind of see that. Looks like everything matches up here. We got the brand, we got that. That checks out as well. Not a fast mover, but at the $20 profit. Makes sense. I would definitely be a buyer of this. Even at 136, let's see what that looks like. Kind of, I always like to know like worst case scenario. Let's see. The break even on this is 114. Like haven't even seen 114 in the last year. Even if we look at the all over here when it first started, but yeah, 120, 125 is kind of your worst case scenario on that. So this one is definitely a winner. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Get the SellerAmp Quick Start Guide if you want more help. There is also free trial down below for you. Absolutely love SellerAmp. Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.